Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video and this is a mystery box from KAB Cosmetics. So I have done 2 videos on KAB Cosmetics previously, but this came up on their website and it's a limited edition mystery box and I really wanted to try it out because I have tried out quite a few products from KAB Cosmetics before and I really like the majority of the ones that I have, and it's all in this box right here, so it is pretty big. And there are 2 spoilers that I do have on their website and on their Instagram page. So you get the beauty oil and then you also get a lip kit in this as well. So the value of the box is $254 and it retails for $150 on a website. I didn't pay that much. I actually had a coupon code, so I got even more money off. And it also says that you do get 9 plus full size products. So you'll get at least 9 products in here that are full size that are on their website. I think that's a pretty good deal. Now I'm hoping that I don't get so many dupes that I already have. I mean, there are some products I absolutely love, so I would be quite happy if I did get dupes of those. But some of them that I've tried that I'm not really much of a fan of, hopefully I don't get dupes of those. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you don't know what KAB Cosmetics is, it's a makeup brand created from Zolciak Biermann, Brielle Biermann and also Ariana Biermann as well, so that's why it's KAB. And I actually do enjoy quite a lot of the products that I've tried out before. Now everything is cruelty free as well, and I'm also wearing some of their products on my face at the moment, so I will let you know if I'm wearing them on my face if I do get them in this box, or at the end if I don't manage to get them in the box. But I'm so excited to see what I have. The box is pretty big, so I'm hoping that I get quite a few really good things in here, and I am really excited for the beauty oil because on the website it looks like that it's a really good product and some of the ingredients look really good as well for skincare. I do live in the UK and it only took I think a week for it to come from as soon as I ordered it. I didn't have to pay customs either, so that was pretty good for that. And you do also get tracking as well because I think it's shipped by USPS. I've never had an issue with any of the delivery or the shipping from KAB Cosmetics before, and it is pretty quick. I mean, especially when you think that it's shipped from the US, and I tend to get products quicker from them than I do from some places in the UK, so it's really crazy. So we're going to try and open this up. Oh, I was expecting this to come in a box like they show on their website, a KAB Cosmetics box, because that's what I thought I would get, but you don't. So I can already see some of the products that I have in here. So when you open it up, you just have all the products in there. I feel like I have got quite a few products in here, even 2 that I can see on the top. I don't know what they are, but I know for a fact that I've not seen the packaging in anything I've purchased before. So with this mystery box, like I mentioned, it's limited edition, $254 value for $150. Includes 9 plus full size KAB products. They really did fill this to the brim, like literally. They probably would maybe be able to put 2 more smaller products in here. So I mean, they did pretty good with that. So yeah, we are going to delve in. We're going to see what I got, but I am so excited. And I'll let you know if I have dupes. I'll let you know if I've tried them out before. If you do want to see my other 2 videos on KAB Cosmetics, I will link them down below or somewhere in this video so you can check it out. So anyway, we're going to go ahead, dive in and see what the first product is. So the first one that I have is the Bombshell beauty oil. So this is something that I knew that I was going to get anyway. This actually has a quite a high retail. Most of these things are quite expensive, but I always get coupon codes when I purchase them. And I honestly, this is probably what I'm most excited for in this box because it just looks so good. Now this is a massive bottle. It's 100 milliliters and it's Bombshell beauty oil. It says drop desired amount of oil into dry clean hands, gently press or massage into skin, perfect for all complexion types. Add 1 to 2 drops into your beauty products for an added dewy look for use on face, décolletage or anywhere you desired for extra hydration. So I also did research all of the products in this as well, and it does say that it's really good for oily, acne prone skin, and I'm so worried about putting anything on my skin that is to do with oils because it never looks good. It retails $34. It's also cruelty free, suitable for all skin types as well. And it also has 3 key ingredients, which are argan oil, sweet almond oil and aloe. And to be honest, there's not really a lot of ingredients in this as well. But again, 100 milliliters, you get the little dropper in here as well. I love how sleek it is. The fact that it's glass as well is great. And I am so excited to try this out, so I really can't wait, and I'll let you know how it goes on my skin. Next, I have the Hydrating Setting Mist as well. This one is 100 milliliters. It's one of their newest products as well that they released alongside the beauty oil, and you can get it in a set as well. And I'm not really too sure how I feel about this one, just because I have very oily skin, so usually I don't give hydrating things, but I feel like that sometimes I could use with a little bit of hydration because sometimes my skin can get very dehydrated, so it might be a really good thing. Now it does really remind me of the MAC setting spray, MAC Fix Plus, that's what's called, the MAC Fix Plus. It reminds me of that because you do have the little lockable lid on here and then it just pumps out. So I think this might be pretty good. I will have to see obviously how it goes with the spraying. Let's see. I don't really want to waste any, but okay, that mister is really good. This is what I want in a mister. It has a very, very, very faint scent, but it's not unpleasant. But also I don't know if that's my lip oil that I'm wearing. So you can get it in the set, like I said, for $60, or you can get it on its own for $28. So it is quite up there, but it doesn't really have a lot of ingredients in there. It does have witch hazel extract, which makes you think it's going to be pretty good for acne prone skin, which is what I have, and aloe vera as well. Also has coconut water in there as well. Now I know that that was actually the scent I smell, and it's also the same scent that's in my lip oil as well, which is why I was a little bit confused what the scent was. The next one is, I think, the lip kit that I knew that I was getting in this, and it is the shade Undress Me. So this one actually does look really, really pretty on the website, and I think it's sort of like a sort of mauvey red shade. I'll open it up because I do really want to see what it looks like. I honestly have so many lip kits from KAB Cosmetics, and you get the liner, the gloss, the cream lipstick, and also the sharpener in here as well. So you get it in the box right here. I think it's really good to have it in the box. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. So just like what they have with all of their lip kits. I'm going to have a look on the website and see what shade this looks like, because I don't want to open all the products up just because I have so many lip products open at the moment and I don't really want to open anymore. It was part of their date night collection, so it has really nice pinks and mauves, and it does look really, really nice. It looks like, again, it looks like a rosy pinky mauve shade, and then you also get a very pale lip gloss as well. The lip liner looks really nice as well, and it does say that it's a neutral muted pink tone lipstick, peach tone nude lip gloss, and then a beige tone pink for the lip liner as well. And I think this is exactly the same as the other lip liners that they have. It also retails for $45 as well, and it says, oh no, it does say that it's a new gel liner formula for easy application and for long lasting stay as well. So it is slightly different to what you have in other lip kits, which I think is good because I do like the other lip liners, but I feel like that they can be a little bit too hard. So this one is a little bit more creamy. We also have a Glow Me Up as well, Buttercream. Do I have this shade? I really do like their Glow Me Ups and their Blush Me Ups. I think the Blush Me Ups are probably my favourite ones. Buttercream. I'm just going to look in my collection to see if I have it before I open it, because I don't want to open another one. I've just had a look and I do already have Buttercream. It's one that I really like. I love all of the shades in this. You have a pink one, and you have more of a grey one, and then you have peach. I've actually used this quite a lot. You can see that I've made quite a bit of dents, but I love all of the shades in this. I don't tend to go for the grey toned one just because it's a little bit too cool toned on my skin. I'm going to do some swatches of all three of them so you can see them. So that is what these swatches look like of them. They are so creamy. It's one of those where it's a cream to powder formula. Absolutely love it. And then let's do some swatches so you can see. I'm hoping that you can see this on camera, but that is what they look like. Honestly, they are so creamy, so buttery, so smooth. I love these highlighters. I think they are so good. So I'm happy that I've got another one, but I think it's going to take me a very long time to get through the actual highlighter palette that I have at the moment that's already open. I think they've got 2 or 3 different palettes for the Glow Me Ups, and they have different shades in them. I do prefer the Buttercream one. It is probably my favourite out of all of them. I think because the other one that I have, I can't remember what it is off the top of my head, but that one, it's a little bit more bright and bold, so I tend to use it more for blush or for eyeshadows, but this one, I absolutely love it. So it does retail for $30, but I think that's pretty good because the formula is amazing. You get 3 different shades in there as well. I do wish that you could sort of choose which ones you wanted to create your own palette, because personally I wouldn't have the grey shade in there, but they are so nice. And I also have, I have 2 lipsticks. What ones? These ones look like they're from the Nude collection. I have 2, I think, from the Nude collection. I can't remember what shades they are. I have Got About and Thong. These are 2 that I do not have. So I do already have 2. I can't remember what they are. I think one of them's Whip, and then I have another one. I can't remember off the top of my head. I haven't actually tried them out yet, again, because I'm trying to use up a lot of my lipsticks that I already own. Oh no, it's been smashed. It's smashed in the lid. Oh well, to be honest, it's fine. It's a little bit hard to push up, but that is what this one looks like. So it's more like it's like a pinky nude shade. Pinky beigey nude. Looks like it's getting stuck in the top bit. Hopefully it's not going to mess up. But I think I'm going to be using that shade quite a lot. It does actually remind me of a shade that I have from Rimmel at the moment, so I will probably do some comparisons, but they are really creamy lipsticks, I've heard, and I know that they're some of the best selling ones that they have. And then got about, let's see, oh, again, it's smushed in the lid. This one is more of a brown nude, so this one is a little bit darker, so it's like a mid-tone. It's not super dark or anything like that, but it's like a true nude. So I'm gonna put them side by side so you can see what they look like, because they are very different from each other. So you can see that Thong is more nude and then Got About is more of a brown shade, but they are both very, very beautiful. I do really like the packaging of these ones. So these are very different to the other ones because the other ones have a matte grey finish and these ones are nude, and they feel really nice and they look really nice and sleek. So you can buy the bundle, which is $140, and you do get 10 shades in there, and most of them do look very similar, but I think there's about 2 or 3 that look very different from the rest of them. So I think it's good because they can suit all different skin tones, and it's something that I like, the fact that they have that for everyone. These all do retail for $18 as well, so like I said, you can get 10 different shades. They suit so many different skin tones, so they have very deep ones, they have sort of light ones, mid-tone ones. They all look pretty similar to each other, but there is one that is very, very deep for a nude, so you have to check it out on the website. We also have 3 lip liners as well. Now, like I said, I do like the lip liners. These versions of them are not my favourite, but I do like the shades that I have. So we've got 3. I've got Cosmopolitan, Pina Colada, and then also Chocolate Martini. I swear I have at least one of these shades. I need to check. I've just had a look and I do actually have 2 of the lip liners. I think I actually got both of these in a bundle that I got, I think last year or something that they had. It was like either Brielle's bundle or it's Ariana's bundle. I got both of those. So I already have like 2 of these, but it's not too bad, to be honest. What I might do is I might do a giveaway or something with the lip liners that I haven't used. To be honest, I haven't even opened these ones, but I already have Chocolate Martini and Pina Colada, but they both look like really nice shades, and I do like the lip liners, but it takes me so long to get through a lip liner because I don't know, I just don't need to use much, and I don't have big lips. I have quite small lips, so I don't need to use much of it. I think it's pretty good that I have 3 different types of lip liners because they're all different shades, so it is one of those where, you know, I can decide what type I want to have. I am a little bit annoyed that they pretty much use things that are in their bundles before, because like I said, I purchased the bundles, so I already have 2 of these lip liners that they had before in favourites that they had. So I'm a little bit disappointed with that because I would rather have different products to 3 different lip liners. But like I said, the formula's pretty okay with these. So they do retail for $12 each, and on the website it does say the descriptions for them all. So Chocolate Martini is a dark chocolate with brown undertones, and then Pina Colada is pinky beige with dark nude undertone. Cosmopolitan is light brown with nudie beige undertones. It looks a little bit pink for Cosmopolitan for me. It looks a little bit rosy, and then it does say that all of them give the illusion of a fuller pout to their semi-matte finish, highly pigmented formula, and there's 1 product left, and this is the Cherry Pie lip kit. I already have this lip kit and I don't really use it. I think I've used it like twice, so this is probably the only disappointment for me because I just know that I'm not going to use it, so I'm probably going to do this in another giveaway as well, because I don't know, I already have this and I don't use it a lot because it is a bright red shade. It's a beautiful shade and I do like everything in it. You get the cream lipstick, you get the lip liner, and then also the lip gloss and the sharpener in it, so it is $45, so it is the same as the usual ones, but it's just, I know for a fact I'm not going to use it. So I do wish that you sort of could have chosen preferences, but then also there'd be no point because it's not really like it's a mystery box, so there's not really any point in being able to choose everything that you have. So it is, like I said, $45. It is a very, very bright red. It is very beautiful, but again, I already have this, so I know how it is and I know that I'm really not going to use it, but it's good. So that's everything that I got in this box. I got quite a lot of stuff. Like I said, I'm not happy with the lip kit of this one that I got, the Cherry Pie one, because that's 2 lip kits that you have in there. I'm not really super happy that I got 3 lip liners, but I suppose the lip liners do go with the lipstick. I've just counted up and I do have 10 products that I got in this mystery box, so I think I did pretty good on that. Now, like I said, I wish they didn't give me so many lip liners and also 2 lip kits, because I think it's just too many lip liners, too many lip kits that you get in here. I would like to try out some different things from KAB Cosmetics, so I'm not too disappointed. I mean, I got more than I thought that I would get, but I do wish that they gave me like some lip oils or something like that. But I am pretty happy with the majority of the things that I got. I also did calculate, and everything does retail for $254 exactly. So exactly what they said it was on the website. I am pretty happy with the majority of the things. Like I mentioned, I really wanted the beauty oil, and that's like $30 odd. And then I got some new lipsticks to try. I got a new lip kit. I also got the mister as well. And then I also got another one of my highlighting sets. I don't know if I'd purchase another mystery box. I don't really ever go for mystery boxes just because I usually get disappointed with a lot of things. So for instance, I used to get Glossy box, I used to get Birch box, and every single month was a disappointment. I don't think I would personally get another mystery box, and I don't know if all the mystery boxes are exactly the same. So I don't know if you get all the same products in there. All I know is that you do get the beauty oil, and then you also get the lip kit as well that are exactly the same. So that's what you get in every single one of them. So if you do want to try out some products from KAB Cosmetics, it might be a good thing to get the mystery box. But I think what I'm also going to do is I'm going to wait for another one of the bundles to come out, because I did message them on Instagram, because I used to like the Ariana bundle, the Brielle bundle as well, because they used to have their favourites, their picks. So they used to be like lip oils, face palettes, eyeshadow palettes, things like that. So you used to get quite a lot of different things. So I think I am probably going to wait for one of those to come out again. If you haven't tried anything from KAB Cosmetics before, or if you've tried the other thing, I think you should go ahead and get it. You can also get a coupon code, so it's a lot cheaper as well. To be honest, if I'd paid $150 for this, I don't think I would be as excited for it, because like I said, some of the products I'm really happy for, but then other things I'm just like not really much of a fan. So the fact that I didn't pay $150, I think it makes it a little bit better on me. But overall, I think it's good. I'm pretty happy with the majority of the things that I got in this as well. And if you do get this mystery box, just let me know what you get as well. And also, if you like KAB Cosmetics, if there's any products that you like, any products that you don't like, or any products that you want me to test out as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you give it a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!